So what can you actually do with clay? Now, that's a really hard question to answer because it really does depend on the use case and what you're trying to achieve. But what I've done is my best to break down over 100 different use cases in this Airtable and then categorize them by the main category. So whether that be list building, personalization, enrichment, etc. And then also the job function, whether that's RevOps, sales, or marketing. Now, of course, your organization is unique to a different organization, so it's not going to be a perfect fit. But I wanted to put something together in one big database that you can use to see the different use cases. So here you can see that we've got list building. So that might be to build a lead list using Google and Yelp, to find somebody's work email, find local business owners, find retail companies with active promotions. Then we've got enrichments, which is really the bulk of the use cases here. So here you might want to enrich newsletter subscribers, find the number of employees in a department, find the careers pages of companies, find the work email, summarize recent LinkedIn posts. Again, there's a lot to take in here and I won't go through it all in the video. I've also got account research, contact research, AI copywriting, automated outbound. So these would be more of a workflow where Clay would be part of that workflow. So for example, you can launch personalized direct mail campaigns, or you can personalize outbound to former bosses of recent job movers. A little bit to get your head around. I've got the link to additional resources if they're available here. And then the rest of the categories are qualification and classification, Clayagent, scoring and signals, AI personalization, and automated inbound as well. There are, of course, more use cases for inbound, where I try to keep it as simple as possible by just keeping one main category, although an enrichment and list building could be the same thing in the use case as well. And then if this isn't helpful enough, I've also filtered it by job function. So again, your organization is going to be different to another organization. You may not have a RevOps team, for example, but I've put anything which is thinking about workflows or more complex list builds to RevOps. And then when it's sales, it's more of that individual contributor in the sales team, something that they could do quite simply within Clay. And then marketing, and then other as well, because there's kind of a need for a catch-all. But for marketing, these are all the same use cases. They're just within lots of different categories. And then with sales, which you can see is the bulk, and then RevOps as well as we scroll down to as well. So this Airtable is embedded on the website, so feel free to take a look at it. I'll probably put a link in there so you can download this or access this view in Airtable if you like. But hopefully this helps you understand all of the different use cases. And what I'd recommend is that you start with just one or two use cases, things that your team might be doing manually right now, and then see if you can start to replace these manual tasks with Clay, and then build up, eventually build up lots of the Clay tables and enrichments to do it for your teams. All right, enjoy.